Slowing down in stories, harnessing reflection and introspection. Hello, language learners. Today, we're delving into the realm of creative writing to explore a critical technique, slowing down for reflection and introspection. Mastering this technique not only sharpens your writing but also deepens your understanding of how pacing can dramatically shape a narrative. Reflection in writing is when a character looks back on past events, decisions, or experiences. This can offer valuable insights into their motivations and help the reader understand their personal growth. Introspection, on the other hand, is a deeper dive into a character's thoughts and feelings. It's the process of a character examining their own internal experiences, sometimes wrestling with inner conflicts or realizations. Both these techniques can slow down the pace of your story, offering a respite from action and allowing the reader to connect more deeply with your characters. In our fast-paced world, we might think that keeping the action high and the plot moving is the best approach. But slowing down has its merits. By pausing the external action and diving into internal exploration, readers gain a deeper understanding of the character, creates moments of tension and anticipation, builds emotional depth, making stories more memorable and impactful. 1. Descriptive language. Use sensory details to paint a vivid picture, immersing the reader in the setting or emotion. 2. Inner dialogue. Let your character's thoughts flow, expressing doubts, hopes, fears, or dreams. 3. Flashbacks. Delve into the past to offer insights into the present. 4. Longer sentences. Lengthier sentences can slow the pace, giving a more contemplative feel to the narrative. Now, it's your turn. Try writing a short paragraph where a character reflects on a significant event in their life. Use descriptive language and inner dialogue to capture their emotional state. This exercise will help you practice and appreciate the power of slowing down in storytelling. Thank you for joining us in exploring the beauty of reflection and introspection in writing. Remember, like music, a story needs its slow, emotional moments to contrast with the lively beats. Here's hoping this technique enriches your English writing journey. Until next time, happy writing!